Here I have Suzuki Vitara and let me show you how to enable or disable alert for low fuel on the following car. So at the very beginning, let me start by using the home screen of the Suzuki infotainment system. Here you should find the settings. The settings should be located at the bottom of the list. As you can see, this gear icon. So now you can use the settings. Let's use the left side of the screen to choose the appropriate sections. Let's choose here the last one, which is the vehicle settings. Now let me tap the vehicle alert information, so the first option. Here you need to scroll down and right now you should find the low fuel. So you can enable or disable low fuel just by using this toggle right here. And basically, when you have this turned on, as soon as your fuel reaches the reserve level, typically when you have about 50-80 kilometers of range left, a large notification will pop up on the infotainment screen. So basically this monitors the fuel level sensor inside your gas tank, so it's quite useful to have this enabled. So that's it for this video. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to our channel and leave thumbs up.